The stock market. You may have heard of it before, but you might not be sure what it is, how it works, or how you can participate in it. In this video, we'll cover the basics of the stock market, including what it is, why people invest in it, and how to get started. At its simplest, the stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares in companies. These shares represent a small piece of ownership in the company. When you buy a share of stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of the company, and if the company does well, the value of your share goes up. But why do people invest in the stock market? There are many reasons, but one of the biggest is the potential for growth. Over time, stocks have historically provided higher returns than other types of investments, like bonds or savings accounts. This is why many people choose to invest in stocks as part of their retirement savings strategy. However, investing in the stock market involves risks. The value of a stock can go up or down, and there's no guarantee that you'll make a profit. That's why it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. So how do you know which stocks to invest in? There are many factors to consider, such as the company's financial health, industry trends, and the performance of the stock market as a whole. Some investors also rely on the advice of financial professionals or research firms. One way to get started is to look at stock indices, which are a collection of stocks that are used to track the performance of a particular market or sector. Some of the most popular stock indices include the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq. Today, investing in the stock market is easier than ever, thanks to online brokerage accounts and mobile trading apps. These platforms allow you to buy and sell stocks, view real-time stock quotes and charts, and track your portfolio performance. But before you start investing, it's important to educate yourself about the stock market and investing. There are many resources available, such as books, online courses, and financial news outlets. It's also important to have a plan and set realistic goals for your investments. For example, if you're investing for retirement, you may want to consider a long-term strategy that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and other investments. In summary, the stock market is a complex and dynamic system that's been around for centuries, but one that's still relevant and important today. By understanding the basics and doing your research, you can potentially benefit from the growth opportunities that investing in the stock market can provide. Thank you for watching this video on the stock market for beginners. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.